Welcome back to the Secure Bytes Show. I'm Lexi, your friendly cybersecurity guide, and today we're talking about something that only takes 6 seconds, but could literally save your digital life: two-factor authentication, or 2FA.
And I'm Max, the guy who used to think 2FA was a Wi-Fi password. 6 seconds? That's about how long it takes me to accidentally reply all at work.
Well, Max, in those same 6 seconds, you could be stopping a hacker in their tracks. Let's break it down. Most people think their password is enough to protect them. But it's not.
Yeah, guilty. I may or may not be reusing the same password since college. So what's the fix?
Think of your password as the lock on your front door. Sure, it keeps people out until someone copies the key. Now imagine adding a guard dog or a fingerprint scanner. That's your second factor. So even if someone has your password, they can't get in without the second step.
Okay, got it. So what is this second step? A retinal scan? A blood sample?
Not quite that extreme. It's usually one of 3 things: something you know, like a PIN; something you have, like your phone or a hardware token; or something you are, like a fingerprint or face scan.
So when I log into my email and get a text with a code, that's 2FA.
Exactly. Or even better, if you use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, it generates a fresh code every 30 seconds without needing a text. It's more secure and works offline.
Wait, why is the app better than a text?
Good question. Hackers can sometimes intercept texts or hijack your phone number using SIM swap scams. Apps don't rely on your carrier, so they're a safer second factor.
Whoa, so with 2FA turned on, even if someone steals my password, they're stuck?
Yup, picture this: a hacker gets your Netflix or email password from a data breach and tries to log in. But bam, they hit a wall because they don't have your phone, your app, or your fingerprint. No second factor, no entry.
Now that I like a digital force field.
Exactly. Cyber smart is the new street smart, Max.
Alright, so how do I actually turn it on?
Easy. Head to the settings of your email, social media, or banking accounts. Look for Security or Login and Verification options and enable two-factor authentication. Most platforms walk you through it step by step.
So, no excuses, huh?
None. It's fast, free, and could save your digital life. And the best part, you only have to set it up once.
Okay, I'm in. As always, if I can get this, you definitely can.
And to everyone listening or watching, do future you a favor and turn on 2FA today. It's 6 seconds that make all the difference.
And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. Don't make Lexi come after your inbox.
Until next time, friends, stay smart, stay safe.